All right, so what we're testing today is the durability of the LensBrace base. As you can see, when you have your camera on the LensBrace, it's going to be pushing down this way and you'll be pushing up that way. So we've engineered some flex in here and it's extremely strong. That way, if you make any contact with anything, you're not shocking this area between the lens and the converter and the camera body itself. So let's take this right off of here. Now keep in mind that the entire LensBrace with the handle and the grip weighs 8.4 ounces. So let's take this right off of my camera. And what we've got here is a little test rig made out of plate steel that is a direct replica of the lens foot back there on the vise. So we're going to take the one I just took off my camera. We're going to stick it on here. Now it's got everything with it. Let's put the Allen wrench in there. And then we'll slide it right on there and put the same piece of hardware in there. And now we've got a crane scale here that is going to tell us how much load is being applied. All this thing has to support is 8 pounds. That's all the lens and the camera weigh together. There we go. That's all it needs to do. That's all it passed it. Let's see how far this will go before anything happens. That's triple its necessary load capacity. Quadruple its necessary load capacity. That is 10 times its necessary load capacity. 100 pounds, this thing. I bet you if I let this go, it'll snap back to shape. That's 100 pounds back to its original shape. But let's just see how far will it go. So right about 100 pounds is where it's at. See, it sheared off there. It didn't even break in the thin part. It broke where the thin part and the thick part meet. But that's 100 pounds of load you could put on this thing. And that's why we use the multi-jet fusion, because it's a lifetime product.